Day before yesterday, when I was watching your spell, I was in Sri Lanka holidaying. I was watching your spell, and I wrote a piece saying every ball is a testament to the hard work that you've put in. Can you tell me the story of Mohammad Shami, the inspiration and the hard work to be turning up for Bengal har match, Ranji Trophy, domestic cricket har match, and now the IPL? That is the story.
हाँ, मेरे हिसाब से लाइफ ही है आपकी कि आपका स्ट्रगल, आपकी मेहनत, आप जितना भी हमेशा जो भी सोचते हैं, अगर उसके हिसाब से अगर आप मेहनत करते रहेंगे हमेशा, तो मुझे लगता है कि रिजल्ट आपको बार बार घूम के आपके मोड़ पे मिलता रहेगा। तो मेरा तो मानना यही है हमेशा कि आप कभी भी इंजर्ड होते हैं, कभी परफॉर्मेंस ख़राब होती है, तो आपको हमेशा वो जो ग्राउंड लेवल का जो हार्ड वर्क है उसको नहीं भूलना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग ज़्यादा फैंसी चीज़ों में ज़्यादा चले। मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं वो एक वीक पॉइंट है हमारा, क्योंकि आजकल की दुनिया में जैसे सोशल मीडिया की दुनिया है, बहुत जल्दी इन्फ्लुएंस कर देती है दूसरों को। लेकिन मुझे ये लगता है कि ऐसे मैं तो किसान फैमिली में पैदा हुआ हूँ, एक गाँव में पैदा हुआ हूँ, तो मुझे तो लगता है कि तब में और अब में मुझे जो चीज़ें मुझे अब अवेलेबल हुई हैं बहुत सारी हैं, बहुत काम की है मेरे लिए वो चीज़ें। लेकिन मैंने अभी वो ग्रास रूट नहीं छोड़ा है, मैंने वो मेहनत नहीं छोड़ी है। भले ही मैंने कितने दिन खेला है, हम लोग कितने दिन इंटरनेशनल खेले साथ में, लेकिन वो भूख अभी भी है ऐसे प्लेयर कि आप उस प्लेटफॉर्म पर खेलना चाहते हैं, उस प्लेटफॉर्म को पाना चाहते हैं दोबारा से, तो वो बुक रहनी बहुत ज़रूरी है। और जहाँ तक डोमेस्टिक या फिर लेवल का सवाल आता है, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो काउंट नहीं करता, वो मैटर नहीं करता मेरे लिए। अगर शायद मैं उस गांव से ना निकला होता तो शायद मुझे डोमेस्टिक भी नहीं मिलता। अगर डोमेस्टिक अगर मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है तो मेरे लिए बाकी चीज़ें भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो सबसे पहले मैं हमेशा डोमेस्टिक को रखता हूँ। जैसे पिछले इंटरव्यू में भी बोल चुका हूँ कि मेरा जन्म भले ही हो गया, लेकिन मेरी कर्मभूमि तो बात ही रही है और रहेगी हमेशा। तो मैं उसी के लिए खेलना पसंद करता हूँ। जितनी भी मेरी जान है, जितना भी मेरे अंदर ताकत है, अगर मुझे मौका मिला तो मैं रणजी ट्रॉफी हमेशा खेलूँगा जब तक मेरे अंदर।
Wow, one of you inspired. Just one simple question. When you watch a Mohammad Shami these days, sport is all about joy. How much joy do these people give you?
You know, all of them. It's amazing. And I keep saying and I'll keep saying again that he should be bowling on the opposite end of Bumrah and not anywhere else. So that's how good he is. We saw the spell the other night. We saw the spell the other night against the game which they won against Sunrisers Hyderabad, against two of the best T20 players in the world, Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma. 4 overs, 9 runs is a phenomenal effort. He went through, as you said, he went through an entire Ranji Trophy season getting wickets for Bengal, and I still remember that afternoon in the semi-final line we lost. Mohammad Shami came in the morning and got 8 for, and although we got the lead and didn't go on to play the final, but he was instrumental in Bengal getting to the semi-final this season. I'm so happy to hear that he wants to keep on playing Ranji Trophy. I know it's going to be very hard for him because he's a fast bowler, but I wish he continues to do that for our state, because there's nothing better when Mohammad Shami runs in with the new ball. I still feel he should play for India, and hopefully that time, the turn will come, because he's so good. He's so good when you see the ball coming out with the seam not moving an inch on either side. Is a treat to watch. So good luck on what he's achieved as a player and as a fast bowler for India. And I still feel he's got a couple of seasons more. And when I met him today at the chair, I said, yeah, ground में थे, पेट दिखते हैं, हम तो बिल्कुल flat है. I don't know whether he's put it in, but he looks as fit as he has been for a while. So good to see him, because when you keep bowling for 4-5 months, you naturally become fit. No training is as good as bowling 30 overs in a Ranji Trophy game. So I wish him all the best, and as I say that with respect, that I still want to see him bowling for India.
Fantastic. We typecast players. Okay, you're a great red ball cricketer. This format maybe not, but there is a phase of rediscovery now. Captaining KKR. So 2 parts: your own journey as somebody who has achieved, but again doing it for the future. Secondly, captaining a franchise from this city which loves its sport. So Eden Gardens and the Kolkata fans.
For me, from my personal point of view, it's been always like learning each and every time. The journey has been so far really good. And no, I always believe till the time you are playing cricket, you have to learn each and every day. And the growth part, especially this format, how fast it is moving. So for me, it's all about how can I be one step ahead? I have always been an instinctive player and attacking player. But the franchisee which I played for before, the role for me was different, and it's always been, for me, it's about the team. How can I contribute, and whatever the management was telling me that point in time, it was about fulfilling that role to the best of my ability. 3-4 years back, for me, I just sat down and thought about how can I grow from here, how can I update my batting, and I started working on a few different shots. It took me 1.5 years. Me and Rinku were just talking about that journey. It took me 1.5 years to develop a couple of shots. Just keep practicing. Got hit here on my chest, on my stomach, multiple times. But I think as a cricketer, when you enjoy, when you have that passion, as Shami said, when you have that passion, when you want to improve as a cricketer and grow and never be satisfied, you automatically try to get better and improve your batting. So I think last 3-4 years has been really good for me in this format. I'm really enjoying my cricket. It's always about contribution for the team, but from a personal point of view, each and every year at least try and improve 5%. So it's been like that. Captaining KKR has been really amazing. I'm really grateful that getting an opportunity to lead the franchisee is amazing. The passion for cricket Kolkata people they have is amazing. Whenever you turn up on the Eden Gardens, sometimes they get upset, and I get it. Because they love their sport, they love they're really passionate about the team, KKR, and also for the domestic cricket. Whatever matches I have played at the Eden Gardens domestic cricket, Mumbai versus Bengal, जो भी लोग आते थे मैच देखने के लिए, they were really passionate. So I think playing at the Eden Gardens is always special. The thing always, whenever we step on the field, it's always trying to do well for the franchise. So the journey for me so far has been really good, and I'm still going, still learning, and really want to do well for the team.
आप जब बॉल डालते हो, when you get wickets, people celebrate. How is it playing at Eden Gardens? Because from your debut game, 5 wickets. I mean, I've covered all your matches, right? So Mohammad Shami and Eden Gardens, that love story, थोड़ा सा.
सबसे पहले तो मजबूत आदमी है, वो बॉल डालनी है. बट होम टाउन का कहीं ना कहीं आपको बेनिफिट मिलता है. वो चीज़ आपको पता होती है, कंडीशंस पता होती हैं, पिच का बिहेवियर पता होता है, क्योंकि आप बहुत लंबे टाइम से उस ग्राउंड पर खेल रहे होते हैं. हमेशा आपने बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड किया होता है वहाँ पे, तो वो बेनिफिट हमेशा रहता है. और यहाँ तक KKR का सवाल है, KKR मेरी भी टीम रही है, तो मुझे पता है कि मुझे इस ग्राउंड पर किस तरीके से किसके अगेंस्ट खेलना है. डजेंट मैटर. वो बात अलग है कि ये फॉर्मेट इतना फास्ट है, इतना तेज़ है कि आप कभी ऐसा होता है कि रन ज़्यादा पड़ जाते हैं आपकी टीम को. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि होम एडवांटेज आपको पता होते हैं, और होम कंडीशंस का फ़ायदा टीम उठा ही लेती है कहीं ना कहीं. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक लोकल होने का भी यहाँ पर फ़ायदा है. तो अगर मैं यहाँ आकर KKR के अगेंस्ट खेल रहा हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ तो फ़ायदे रहेंगे मेरे लोकल होने के लिए. लेकिन ये मुझसे ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं अभी हो सकता है इन्होंने ज़्यादा देख लिया.
फायदा नहीं,
बताओ भाई, इन्होंने तो स्लेज कर दिया आपको.
ज़्यादा मिलेगा नहीं फायदा.
But Rinku, packed Eden Gardens, shouting Rinku. Packed Eden Gardens, 65-70,000 people. After the redevelopment, there will be more. Everybody shouting Rinku. Describe करिए.
अंदर से बहुत मजा आता है.
मज़ा तो आती है, मतलब वही चीज़ है कि मेहनत करके कमाई है वो चीज़. काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है जब नाम लेते हैं लोग, तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है.
Last question to you, for a leader and your leadership philosophy. Winning a trophy like the IPL as leader for this city, for this state, for an owner like Shah Rukh Khan who's hands-on, your thoughts as a leader?
Winning the championship is always very important because I've been playing for the franchisee last 2 years. I was here in 2022, but the atmosphere, the culture which we have in the dressing room has been fantastic. Shahrukh Khan sir की आपने बात करी. I think he's been really good with everyone, supporting and guiding each and every individual. He's like our big brother. खराब समय में हमेशा हमारे साथ होते हैं, कहाँ पर किसको सपोर्ट करना है. So for us as players, what is important, we should give our best. Result which is not in our control. Always the goal is to win the championship for every team. we are giving our best and we will give our best this season to do well and hopefully we'll lift the cup for the owners, for the franchisee, and but most importantly for the Kolkata fans. I think that is really important, as you've been saying, and what I saw every time whenever I walk here, the Eden Gardens or even in Kolkata, the passion, the energy, the atmosphere which we get is electrifying. So you want to do well for the fans every single time when you go out there. So yes, we will give our best, we'll try our best to win the championship.
Rutu is a better player than that, and hopefully the captain will find a way to get him up to our.
So we all got our headliners here. On that note, please can you have the Rashogolla on stage? Shona needs to present these two to you see. Now that's the photo. Achu, I know you won't have them, but at least you can hold it. Please. স্বামীকে দেওয়া হবে না কেন খাবে না বলেছে অলরেডি মাথা আছে মানে খাবো না
Shami said not to give the Rashogolla box because he doesn't want to eat, because he wants to stay fit.
ঝুলন অলরেডি বলছে আমি খাবো না